not near. Okay, let's just review what happened yesterday. All right, let's review. Okay, now yesterday was a very simple trading day. Yesterday, I already told you guys about this. Okay, I don't know how many of you take notice of that yesterday, but anyway, if you didn't notice, wasted. If you take notice, you have profited. Now, yesterday, the opening price of the Dow Jones and the high, the opening price and the low, sorry, the opening and the high and low, sorry, the opening and the low was exactly the same. Okay, this is not usual, my friends, not usual. It only can be done when there's a huge algorithm coming into the picture. And I shared that with you, right? Remember the day before, it was opening price and the high was the same. And then the Dow slammed down quite a fair bit, right? So yesterday, the opening price and the low was the same. So ideally itself, right, we should also be expecting something like this. Isn't that true? Yeah, that is something that we can really think about it, right? So in fact itself, Brian, remember you said this, you said that, okay, it's a flat bottom algo buying, right? Brian, remember that? You said this. And of course, I also told you guys, if the Dow stays above 34,510, the Dow will go up to 34,850. Remember that I said this yesterday during the MAO. And indeed itself, right, unprecedented in a way. Look at it. Wow. Look at it. The Dow Jones not only went up past 510, it rocketed all the way to as high as 34,957. You realize that, right? It's very clear that the market itself is really doing that. The market really, okay, a bit noisy now. Office now got many people now. All right, so the thing is this, the Dow really went up. And as long as you follow through and you just keep on staying the buy, you will always profit from the market. So guys, from the entire thing itself, this shows the power of our MAO. By turning on MAO, spending like 1 hour listening to me, blah, 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 that segment itself is worth the money. Imagine that itself, if someone will pay you like $3,000, $5,000 to watch a MAO, all right, that is what you're looking at. Because if you actually listen to what I say and make the money, right, then you make the money. Correct enough. Okay, let's say you don't like Dow. You don't like Dow. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Anthony. No, I'm not always spot on. I got my Dow, okay? Not that perfect. Now, I also told you about DAX yesterday. I told you DAX itself, right? If DAX is a go up. Now, DAX was mentioned in the morning. So that means that no one can see the DAX movement until 3 p.m., right? But 2 p.m. the market opened, but it's a soft market right at the start. And then after that itself, I mentioned to you that if the market is to go higher, right? I believe that if it goes higher, the market will be going up to this point, 15,231. So I gave another figure and I mentioned to you where I think the Dow could be going. Okay, remember that? I shared it with you. And then what happened? Everybody take a look. The market itself, you can take a look. The DAX really did that. The DAX really went up to the level that I mentioned. And the level shows that the market, message coming in again. Okay, the DAX basically went up all the way to this point, 231. You see that? The thing is, this drawing was shown, this line was shown, and I give you a number specifically. And the incredible part is that the market really touches there. You know, that is the best part of the whole MAO. It's not only just that, I'll say today the DAX is here and there. I mean, it's not, instead of recapping just that where the market could be going, I give you specific figure, specific direction, and I give you the confidence that you need. All right. So that is what happened on DAX. And of course, that is the main highlight of yesterday.